So what I've done here is I have put a small hole there and up there, and I'm covering them with tape. I'm going to fill it with water. I just made the small hole with this. Usually I use an X-Acto knife, but I went ahead and used a box cutter.
All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape now.
Yeah, it knows it's still leaking. We're just doing this in the morning because of the rain.
And as I take off the tape, you can see the water's not shooting out there, but we do have some dripping on the bottom. We take off the other one here. The question is, why does that happen? But you don't have to answer that one. Just think about that one, right? The one you have to answer, I'm going to do here in just a minute. The question is, what will happen when I drop this? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the tape off and open the cap. And I'm going to open the cap. Cap is open, and the tape's off, and that little hole over here is uncovered. I'm going to drop it, predict what will happen. All right, and this is the one you have to answer on why. 3, 2, 1. All right, there we go. What happened to the water? It stopped, that's right. Question is why? That's the one you guys have to answer.